Welcome to Quality Heating, where professional gas installations make your life easier and your home more efficient. Let's explore how we connect you to comfort and convenience. Starting with your kitchen, enhance your cooking experience with a gas oven installation. Known for consistent heat and moisture retention, gas ovens make every meal a masterpiece. Our skilled team ensures your oven is connected safely and efficiently. Thinking about outdoor cooking upgrades? A natural gas BBQ hookup by our certified technicians offers endless grilling with minimal environmental impact, connecting directly to your home's gas supply. Speed up your laundry with a high-efficiency gas dryer. We handle everything from gas line, rough-in, to final connections. And let's not forget about hot water heaters. Our water heater installation services ensure you have reliable and efficient hot water when you need it. At Quality Heating, we bring expert installations right to your doorstep. From gas cooktops and ovens that enhance your cooking experience, to BBQs and efficient gas dryers, our certified technicians ensure everything is set up perfectly. We also specialize in water heater installations to guarantee you have hot water whenever you need it. Our commitment to safety and quality means you can trust us to handle every detail with precision. Don't hesitate. Contact Quality Heating today. Visit our website and complete the contact form, or simply give us a call. Our friendly staff is ready to help you with all your needs.